Hey guys, how we doing? It's back. It's me. Lesson 21. Let's get going. We're gonna be doing the kind of same thing that we did yesterday. So it's kind of building on the previous day, previous lesson. So let's try it out. All right. Let's look at this first one. Get out of here. All right, here we go. So it's 148 divided by 67. So trying to figure out where to start. Let's say this was 70, I round this to 70, round this to 140. It's going to give or take 2 times. So I know if this was 70, it'd be 2. So let's try 2. So 67 doesn't go into 1, it doesn't go into 14, but it does go into 2. 14, 12, 130, 4. Right? Yep, that's 1, that's 4. So 2 remain to 14. I check it, 67 times 2. 14, 12, 13, plus 14, 148. Yes. Ding, 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 ding. Tell him what he's won. Absolutely nothing. Cool. Never mind. Okay. Now, next one. 591 divided by 73. Now the number's getting a little bigger, but again, let's pretend this is like 70. And if I thought about a multiple of 70 that's around 59, I would say 8. So I'm going to try 73 times 8. And I do it on the side because I'm not sure if it's going to work. That's 56 plus 2 is 58. So we got a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So times this. And I'm going to go 8 times, and I get 584. And that's 7. So it's 8 remainder 7. So over here, I'm going to do 73 times 8. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right. So guys, all I'm doing is using those estimating skills, those rounding skills that we've been working on, those previous lessons. This is where that comes into play. Because you don't want to be sitting here going, 73 times 2. 73 times 4, 73 times 5. It'll take you forever in 4 days. So this is where we use those estimating rounding skills to kind of help you, all right? Trust me, it'll pay off. All right, so number 2 says generate and solve at least one more division problem with the same quotient remainder as the one below. So I need an 8 remainder 11. So now this is gonna be like this is so confusing. It can be, but it really doesn't have to be. So what I need is a remainder of 11 and a quotient of 8. It can't just be any number. It has to kind of make sense. Now, I'll even make a mistake or 2 or 3, maybe by accident or maybe on purpose. I don't know. So here we go. So let's say I did, well, I got to come up with a division problem. So let's say I did 36, and I did this, and then I did 8 remainder 11. So I'm trying to figure out what this is. And this is kind of similar to like lesson 21. So let's say I did 36 times 8. And now these numbers were just, this number here was totally random, okay? 848, that's 24, and that's 288, plus 11 would equal 299. All right? So let's see if that works. 299 divided by 36. Doesn't go in, doesn't go in. Let's say I try A here, and then that's 48. That's 2. Wait a second. That doesn't make sense. 36 times 8. 24. 24 plus is 28. That's right. Oh, there we go. So first one's here. All right. Hold on. Gotta pause it. All right, guys. Last question. So assume that Mrs. Jiang's car travels 14 miles on each gallon of gas. She travels to her niece who lives 133 miles away. How many gallons of gas will she make round trip? So to the best of my knowledge, I'm going to assume that 133 is one way. Okay. So one way is 133 miles. So I got to figure out other way is 133 miles. The total distance for the two is 266 miles, so round trip. So it says about 14 miles of gas. How many miles will it need to make round trip? So it's going to be 266 divided by 14. It goes in once. That's going to be, hold on a second. I did that wrong. That's just 12. My bad. And then bring down the 6. 14 goes in the 6. 8, 9. 9 times. Let's go 6. 1, 2. So, how many gallons? It'll take about 19 gallons. Okay. Go check out the flow chart. See ya.